G'day, it's Colin from Worth. And what I've got for you today is our polygon stoneware and tile drill bits. They come in a set of 5, but they are available individually as well. The benefits of the polygon stone and tile drill bit is they have a carbide tip. They have a blue marking ring here, which just indicates depth, so when you're drilling you know how far you've gone in. And they also have this unique polygon shaft on them, or shank. What that does is it locks into the jaws of the chuck of the drill, so there's no possibility of the tile slipping. So let's see how they work. Firstly, let me put my safety glasses on. Now, the drill bit operates at a slower speed. Also, it doesn't need any coolant or oil to help it drill, so it's dry drilling. There you go, it's as easy as that. Worth, polygon, stoneware and tile drill bits. Don't forget to like our page and we'll see you next time for more quality products from Worth.